want to buy Solana-based tokens like BONK or GekoodHub, but instead of using Phantom's built-in swap feature, you want the power of Raydium, Solana's most popular decentralized exchange. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to connect your Phantom wallet with Raydium and swap your tokens safely. Now let's go and swap some of these tokens on the Solana blockchain using the Raydium, which is the most popular decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain. So let's just go to our Phantom wallet. So we are already here into our Phantom wallet. We go to the search bar, which is on the bottom right corner. Then we go under the sites, look for Raydium. A quick interruption for the video. We all know that crypto is a fast-paced world and you need somewhere to get this information as fast as they happen on the blockchain. To do that, just join the GekoodHub email newsletter and I'll be dropping this alpha into your email inbox to update you on the hot narratives and what's trending on the crypto market. The link to subscribe to the GekoodHub email newsletter is in the description below. It's bringing us to Raydium.io, and first you need to have your wallet connected. So you can see on the top right corner it's just loaded and my wallet's been connected automatically into the Raydium platform. Now from here I can easily start swapping. So when you see here on the bottom part, the first icon is to swap, then there's liquidity, we have portfolio, perpetuals, launch lab, and then more. So because you just want to look on how to swap tokens here, we just stick to the swap part. And then remember that you'll be using Solana as your fees, as the gas. So you need to be paying some gas here. It's very negligible because Solana blockchain is fast and cheap, but you still need Solana in order to perform these trades. So I'll need to change from USDT into Sol. And then if I wanted to buy FWOG or any other token, I just click there and choose from this whole list of tokens being shown here. So all these are tokens that you can purchase here, but again, if at all you have the contract address of a particular token that you wanted to purchase from Raydium, then you just paste it under the search bar. Then Raydium will easily pick that data from the blockchain and you'll be in a position to swap that token. So let's say I want to swap GigaChad. I'll now go ahead and put the amount of Solana that I want to swap for this Giga. So you click there and then you put the amount. So I'll put 0.001. And then now you can see it's now picking the data. I'll be getting 21 giga for my 0.001 Sol. That's around 22 cents. So it's saying you need at least 0.01 Sol to pay for fees and deposits. Just go ahead and click to swap. I'll see if at all the transaction will be initiated. So it's saying there, confirm transaction, balance changes are estimated, amounts and assets involved. So I can just confirm in order to get my Giga, which is the 21 GigaChad, but I don't want to confirm the transaction. I'll just close so that the transaction is now failed. So that's how to easily use the Raydium decentralized exchange in order to perform swaps within the Solana ecosystem.